Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to check your Imei number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you just open Dialpad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And here you can see your Imei numbers and also your serial number. And the second method, you just go to settings, then go to the additional settings. No, not additional settings. Go to the about phone section, then status. Here you can find your Imei 1, Imei 2, and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.